Hey everyone, welcome back to Natty Tech Insights. Today, we're diving into the world of private, self-destructing messaging. Whether you're sharing sensitive information, secret messages, or just want to keep your privacy intact, I've got you covered. From secure notes to encrypted links, I've found 5 incredible platforms that make sure your secrets stay, well, secret. So, if you're as obsessed with online privacy as I am, or maybe just want to prank a friend with a disappearing message, stick around because I'm breaking down the top 5 tools to keep your private messages truly private. Let's get right into it. Number 1. Vanish.so. First up, we have Vanish.so. This platform is all about simplicity and security. You can share links or messages that self-destruct after they're read, which means zero traces. No signups or apps required, just pure, straightforward privacy. It's perfect for those of us who want privacy without the hassle. Number 2. OneTimeSecret.com. Next on the list is OneTimeSecret.com. If you're dealing with passwords or sensitive information, this one's for you. Here, you can create single-use links that self-destruct after being opened just once. No lingering secrets, no way to reshare. Whether you're sharing a Wi-Fi password or sending sensitive work info, super secure and user-friendly, but it has limited note size. Number 3. SafeNote.co. Coming in hot with SafeNote. If you need a reliable, straightforward way to share sensitive data without leaving a digital trail, this is a great option. You can set passwords and expiry dates for your notes, giving you total control over who sees them and when. Great for business, personal, or anything in between. Number 4. CryptJon.com. This one is a bit more advanced, but perfect for tech-savvy users. CryptJon lets you create encrypted messages with different access levels and expiration times. Each note is stored on their servers in an encrypted format, so it's ultra secure. It's an awesome option if you're looking for a little extra security. Number 5. PrivNote.com. Moving on to PrivNote.com, which takes secret messaging up a notch. With this tool, you can add additional layers of protection, like time limits for your messages. After the set time expires, the note is gone forever, no second chances. Plus, it's end-to-end encrypted, so only the intended recipient can see your message. Perfect for time-sensitive, confidential information. Now let me show you how it works. Go to each websites of these secret messaging apps. Let me use PrivNote.com as an example here. Go to www.PrivNote.com. Click on this link. Type your confidential information here. After completing the note, simply click on Create Note, select link and copy. You can even email the link directly to the targeted person or share it to the recipient through social platform. If you like, you can destroy the link. There is an option to do that here. In this scenario, let us open the link in a browser. Click to read the note. Boom! Here is the note we created earlier. We can also click on Show Options to create a strong manual password, notification for message destruction, reference name for the note, and confirmation or non-confirmation before showing the message. When you are done, click Create Note. Disable option if you don't want this feature. Although ads may appear on this website, please rest assured that it is absolutely free to use. Alright, those are my top 5 picks for secure, self-destructing messaging. Each has its own strengths, so whether you're all about ease, security, or just having fun with disappearing messages, there's definitely something here for you. Now, tell me in the comments which one you'll be trying, or if there's another tool you recommend. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop on all things privacy and tech. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.